Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can change theme on Instagram. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Instagram app in your device. Then tap on message icon. Next, find the chat on which you want to change theme. Next, tap on the chat. After that, tap on the profile icon of the chat. Next, you can see the option of theme. Tap on it. Next, select theme of your choice. So, this is how you can change theme on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.